Welcome back. In this lecture, I am going to teach you how to make an interface for Tic Tac Toe game. And before that, let me first erase the recently added code. So this is the recently added code. So we do not need it anymore, right? So once it is deleted, so I can first look into my ready function. So I need to remove this one also, and moreover I do not need a button click event, so let's remove this one too, and let's save your document. And now I need some images, so I have already downloaded some images, and all those images are available in my images folder. So now you can see that I have a cross.jpg file, and then I have 0.jpg file, and then I have a plain.jpg file. So once you have all these files in your images folder, we are ready to uh, start working on this interface. So let me first make changes in the HTML part. So now I am going to make a table tag here. So first what I will do, I will write a table tag here, and within this table tag I need a row, and within this row I need three columns. So column can be made by using td tag. So let me copy it. So I need three columns in the first row, and then I need one another row, so I can copy it, and in that row I again need three more columns, and then we want one more row with three more columns. So this is my table tag, and within this table tag I am going to write down a image tag, image source equals to, and you know that the name of our folder is images, and here I am going to write plain.jpeg. so that should be the default image when you first open your web page. And then I am saying height equals to, let's say, 200 pixels, and then the width, it is 200 pixels, right? And then I am closing my image tag. Now I can copy the entire image tag, and then I am going to paste it in all the columns, you can say, and then I am going to paste it here, and then repeat the same process. So where I am, okay, so at this position just paste it, and then go here, paste it, and do it for all columns. Okay, so now I have pasted the same image tag in all the columns. Now let's save this document and open your home.html file. So let me open it. So that is the home.html file. So now you can see that I have 9 big columns here. So let me first make changes in the size of these images. See, I have converted the height and width. Now the height and width is 150 pixels. Now save your document and now refresh your web page once again. So now this one is much better. So now we have to implement the logic part. So we need to go to the ready function. So in the ready function, what I can do is, first I need a index variable, and let's take its initial value as -1, and then I'm going to apply a click event on all the images. So I will write click and then function, right? So by writing this, I have applied click function on all the 9 images. And in this section, so what I am going to do, whenever I click on an image, I will say index plus plus, right? And then I will check if this index position is a even position or it's a odd position. So let's say if it's a even position, right? And then what I will do, I will write dollar this dot attribute, and then I would say I want to change the source, and source must be, I should write images slash, and then the name of your image, and that is, let's say, 0.jpeg. okay, else if it is a odd position or odd move, Then I can copy this one and I can paste here cross.jpg file. So that is cross.jpg. Well, let's first run this code and then I will explain the entire logic once again. So let me go back here, refresh my page. Now I got the result. Yes, we are able to make a tic-tac-toe interface. So let me go back and now let me explain what we have done here. So we are looking for the even moves and odd moves. Let's say when the user one clicks, right, when the user one clicks, the value of index will be 0, and when the user 2 clicks, the value of index will be 1, and again when the user 1 clicks, the value of index will be 2, and again when the user 2 clicks, this value would be 3. So now you can see that all odd moves are by the user 2 and all even moves are by the user 1. So that is exactly what I am checking here. If it is a even move, so I am saying I will show 0.jpeg image, and if it is a odd move, it means it is a second user, and in that case I will show cross.jpeg file. So that is the logic, and with the help of attribute function I am replacing the image, or you can say I am changing the attribute value of images. So I am saying I want to change the source of the image where I have just clicked. So how will you get the detail that on which image you have clicked? So that is why we have written a this here. This means this will automatically find out on which image you have just clicked. So dollar this means the image where you have just clicked, and you are going to change the source attribute of that image. So that is all about tic-tac-toe interface.